Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For all of you that are new here, my name is Kat and for today's video, I am doing my weekly toy room clean. And as you can see, it is a disaster. This video never seems to disappoint because my two girls can turn a room upside down in no time. I made a huge mistake and I let Aaliyah bring Play-Doh in here last week when I was working because of how busy I was, and oh my goodness, the amount of Play-Doh that is dried up on the floor in here is absolutely insane, including all over this kitchen. It is just everywhere. But let me tell you a little story. I don't know how else to say this, but I have shingles. When this video was first filmed, you can see me there, my arm was killing me. It was tingling. We also had a really bad storm that night. I'm sure most of you guys experienced it. It was insane. We lost power for a good 12 hours. So this video is a two-parter. You will see a little costume change. I switched into a black sweater and you will see some bandages on my arm. Don't be alarmed. The bandages are there because I was told to cover up my shingles so they do not spread. I am super lucky that I got to them and noticed them when I did because I was able to get on the antibiotics from my doctor, and I was told to cover them up so they will not spread. So I only have two small spots, but oh my goodness, guys, it is the worst pain ever. I don't know how to describe it besides like pins and needles and the worst rug burn you could possibly ever have. So let me know in the comments below if you or somebody you know has had shingles, because I've never had it. Like, I didn't even know that people I'm 34. I thought it happened to people over the age of 50. You know, younger kids get chicken pox. We kind of sit dormant and we're more prone to it when we're over 50, but it is what it is. I'm trucking along. So here we are cleaning the toy room. I have my bins set up, one for Barbies, one for little people, one for Disney toys, one is for Barbie toys, one is for Shopkins and little toys, one is for food. So I keep everything organized in those back pull-out bins behind you. The dollhouse has a bin beside it which holds all of like the large Barbie furniture, the beds, the dressers, everything that would go into the dollhouse, as well as a couple Barbie cars. On the other side, you will see that I have the armoire that my friend made. I've mentioned it in other videos before, where she has taken a dresser, totally gutted it with the drawers and everything, put a pole in there, painted it, and made the cutest little armoire for my girls. So over there is where I store all of the dress up, costumes, and then I have some puzzles and stuff on top of there that needs to be organized as well. So you can see there I have a little helper. I did have to cut it a little apart because right there you can see it switch. Boy, oh boy, she was not impressed that I was cleaning up her toys and putting them away. However, little Nay there, she is my little helper, and whenever I'm cleaning, she's not too far behind me. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, especially this clean. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button. And if you were recently one of those people that hit my subscribe button, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get cleaning. Fun fact, I have loved dress up like most people since I was a little kid. And the coolest thing of all is that my neighbor that I had at my cottage when I was a kid growing up was the props guy for Mr. Dress Up. How flippin' cool is that, right? So he had the tickle trunk filled with absolutely every costume you could possibly imagine, including the iconic Count Dracula costume. But that's my little fun fact for you. So while I'm putting away these costumes, that's exactly what I was thinking about. It's funny while you're doing certain things and it can trigger a memory from when you were a child yourself. Like, that is the one thing I love about having kids, is that in reality, you get to relive your childhood all over again. It's amazing. Okay guys, we are now on day 2 of cleaning this toy room, and having that extra day just gave the girls an extra day to pull everything out that I had cleaned and make it a mess again. So we lost power, like I said, for 12 hours. I was super smart the night before when I went to bed, and I filled the fridge with freezer packs on the most important stuff, like the yogurt and the cream cheese and some, what else did I put on? I don't know, the milk, a bunch of things that would turn overnight if, you know, we lost power for a really long time. I put some freezer packs on it, so I felt pretty like, yes, when I woke up, because I was, stoked that there was power and happy that my little like promptu plan with the freezer packs worked. However, that is the day that I found out that I actually had shingles. And while I was filming this, my arm was killing me. And you will see, because a girl starts to sweat, I was working hard. I take off my sweater and you can see the bandages on my arm. So I simply have the bandages on there with a little hydrocortisone cream underneath, just so that they don't spread. I was super, super lucky to only have the 2 spots, one which I caught right at the beginning, and the second one is really tender. It's in like the inside of my bicep, and ouch. If you guys have shingles, you know exactly what I mean. And if you had it, trust me, it's something you do not want to get. So I am here cleaning up all these toys. Chris is in the background there passing me all these big things. The girls just have so much stuff. It is stressful. It's stressing me out every single week. Every single Barbie toy that you buy nowadays comes with 10 to 15 tiny little pieces. I'm talking a couple centimeters big. You buy Lego, 1,000,000 pieces. You buy LOL dolls, 1,000,000 pieces. It's insanity. All these toy companies are producing the smallest little toys, and this is what's stressing me out. They get into things, they don't put them away, they can't find it, so what do? They take a bin and they dump it upside down and look for that teeny tiny little toy, and the rest of it just gets left there. So I've been thinking that I need to do a really big get rid of everything, but I need to get them out of the house, because it's super hard to throw out toys when they're not around. And with Christmas around the corner, I can only imagine what this toy room is going to look like on December 26th.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to carry.
My favorite part of cleaning any room is the finishing touches, whether it's a broom, a mop, or in this case, a vacuum. Like I mentioned, Aaliyah had tons of Play-Doh in this room. I recently made up a batch of Play-Doh and it made so much, and when it dries, and it was all over this carpet. You would have thought that I was sucking up pure sand. Oh man, the sound that was in the hose going up through the wall, it was just crazy. I even think Chris said at one point, like, holy cow, there's so much stuff on that carpet, but it was so satisfying. And I recently bought this new end, what is it, a beam? I don't know, the sucker up thing that I'm pushing there, and it works so well. Like, look at those vacuum lines, they are so satisfying. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's not like the greatest thing ever because I'm not moving from room to room, but this is reality and this is what I deal with once a week. Every single week is this total disaster. I know these kids are gonna grow up one day. There's gonna be no toys left in this house and I'm gonna be one sad mama. So I try not to complain and I just try to do it with a smile on my face. And to be honest, making these videos for you guys really helps me get my stuff done. But look at this place. It looks so good. Everything is organized. The dollhouse looks good. You can see there's some stuff in there because as I was cleaning, the girls were obviously playing. All of my bins are organized. The Legos put away. Everything just has a place. It's so perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Let me know in the comments where you're from. I love interacting with you guys and I'll see you guys next time.